welcome to Mama's Cooking Show. I'm Mila, and today we're going to be making gourmet burgers and hot dogs. We got American Wagyu beef. We're making jalapeno cream cheese bacon burgers. Today I asked my big brother Kason to help me. Come on over, Kason. Kason, are you ready to make some burgers and hot dogs?
Yes. I'm really excited for the gourmet hot dogs.
Okay, Kason, can you start by heating your tray there? First thing you need to do is make sure you wash your hands. Do you wash your hands, Bella?
Yes. Did you wash yours?
Yes, I did. Next, lay the bacon out on the cooking sheet. Next, we're each going to chop up the jalapeno. Chop, 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 chop. Next, mix in cream cheese with the jalapenos. You now have the fresh jalapeno and cream cheese spread. You can set this aside. By now, the Traeger should be ready. Bob, can you please go put the bacon in the Traeger?
Yes.
Teamwork is awesome. The bacon's gonna take 15 to 25 minutes, depending on how thick it is. Make sure to keep a couple slices of bacon aside. For bacon to wrap hot dogs, it is desired. Time to pack the burgers. Okay, Baba. Watch your tear off a small piece of meat. Now, roll it in a ball. You need 2 meatballs for every one burger. Once you have the balls rolled, smash it down flat. You want it to be super flat, like this. Season your burgers with salt and pepper. Next, put the jalapeno cream cheese spread on half of the patty. Then take the other half of the patties and put them on top. Then close the spread inside. Now season outside of the burgers. Now the burgers are ready to go on a Traeger. Real quick, that prepped the hot dog. Now I'm using Snake Roll Farms or American Wagyu beef gourmet hot dogs. Okay, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a slice of bacon and wrap it around the hot dog. Now it's ready to go on a Traeger. When the bacon is crispy, take it off the Traeger. Cook the burger to your liking, but roughly 5 minutes in. Flip them. Once you take the burgers off the grill, oh, don't these look delicious? Add a little bit more cream cheese jalapeno spread. Last part, my favorite part, add half pieces of bacon on top of the burger. Of course, I got an eat piece too.
Me too.
You can garnish the burger with anything you want, but I prefer mine just like this. After a bacon hot dog, I prefer just ketchup. Enjoy! And that, my friends, is how we make a gourmet burger, a gourmet hot dog. So delicious. You had fun, Baba?
Yes.
Thank you for helping me. Do you like your hot dog?
Yes.
Now remember, friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and comment if you make it. Love you!